Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel. This is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, October 15th, 2018. And today in our Tech News Update, we have the blue screen of death on HP computers. Microsoft has finally pushed a fix. Apparently it pushed the fix both to the April 2018 update and the October 2018 update. So if you were plagued with this blue screen problem on your HP computer, a fix is now available that makes your computer running normally again. The October 2018 update also has another fix that is being pushed. Some people are complaining of audio that was broken or audio that was not working well. Well, the update for the audio that was broken on some of the devices is now being pushed also. It is only for specific hardware that has specific audio drivers. So if you're one of those that are affected, the fix will be, of course, just bringing back the sound to your computer. Well, an interesting problem. The PlayStation 4 owners have been talking about a messaging problem. It seems that a malicious message is going around the PlayStation network. And what it does, it actually soft bricks the console. So basically, it just freezes the console. To get out of that, you got to reset the PlayStation 4. Right now, users are advised of turning off messaging to fix this issue. And of course, a update will fix this problem soon. Well, Facebook has started to actually roll out and test the new Messenger unsend feature. Right now, you could delete a message, but the problem is if it was already delivered, it was not actually removed from the other device. The unsend feature actually will remove it even from the device that you send it to. So this is going to be an interesting one and maybe help out, on those drunk night messaging that you might want to remove in the morning. Huawei 5G deployment, of course, is banned in the United States, but now the United States is actually asking Canada to ban Huawei from actually helping out in the deployment of 5G in Canada. Of course, it bans the company. It says that there is some security risks, and that's why they don't want it to be used. And they kind of are asking us here in Canada to not actually have Huawei deploy anything in the 5G networks. Well, maybe if you've been using the internet for a while, you know that there was something called the Internet Relay Chat, or IRC. I had a lot of time, spent a lot of time there. Well, MIRC is one of the software also that was used. So anyways, it's turning 30 this week. Yep, 30 years ago it was invented by a Finnish creator called Jago Okarinen. And basically, he probably didn't think that it would be so popular at some point where everybody wanted to chat via IRC. So happy 30th anniversary. A interesting study saying that by asking IT experts, how it goes in business for cybersecurity, most of the IT experts say that almost everywhere they worked, the security was not on top of the list, and even a lot of the security features were kind of dumbed down. Why? Because employees had too much of a hard time with the security measures in the workplace. And of course, this needs to change because we are getting in a world that is getting more and more sophisticated with all the attacks. And Apple, of course, has been asking and calling on the Australian government to not go forward with the new encryption law. Of course, that law will actually kind of make encryption a little easier to remove, and they kind of want to have a backdoor. Apple says that this is putting everybody at risk and that it cannot be done and should not be done. So there's a reason, of course, for encryption, and that's not the way to do it. Well, in Pakistan, we talked about it in a previous news bulletin a few months ago. They have a new law where you got to register your phone now with the Pakistan Telecommunications Agency. And if you are not registered, if your phone is not registered, on October 20th, it's going to stop working on the networks within Pakistan. And this is, of course, to stop many little things, a lot of the crimes going on, but also the smuggling of smartphones from other countries. And it's just a measure to try to lower crime rates across the country. And this was the Tech News Update for Monday, October 15, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.